Hello, in this video I show you the location and how to replace the cabin filter on Nissan Micra. The cabin filter on this car is located behind the glove box. It's located down there. It's located just behind this plastic cover. To get access to it, first we need to remove this plastic cover. To remove it, we need to pull it out, and that's the cabin filter down there. Now we need to pull out the cabin filter. And that's the cabin filter out. When you remove the cabin filter, make sure you look at the direction of the airflow so that you put the new cabin filter with the same direction of airflow. And this is the new cabin filter that I'm going to be replacing it with. Now I'm going to put it in its place and close off the plastic cover. And that's how you replace the cabin filter on this Nissan Micra. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.